Hi guys, I'm here to show you my latest project this week. What I'm working on is a big yummy control button. Now this button is pushable, and when I push the button it will control all the lights in my environment, basically anything on my Wi-Fi. I'm using WLED, which is a free open source control program, and it works over Wi-Fi, so any other lights that are running WLED on my network can listen and react to this button. This is a lot of fun because it makes my projects interactive. I can leave this button out in my living room or take it to a festival or wherever I've got my art, and just anyone can come up and change the colors, control it, whatever I want to do. This button is programmable, and there's a lot of different stuff you can make it do. So I've written a tutorial if you guys want to go and check it out. It's on the Adafruit learning system, and it'll teach you how to make this button, and then also how to make an itsy bitsy version like this one. This one does basically the same thing, but I can hide it in my pocket, so I can change the lights or make them do things with no one the wiser. So take a look at learn.adafruit.com and check out the tutorial, and I can't wait to see what you guys make.